Welcome back everyone, Joe here, hope everyone's doing well. So today we're going to go ahead and fill up my Mahindra 1626. I have a 5-gallon jug of off-road diesel that I have a fuel additive in. I also bought the replacement part for this. Is a stabilizer bar that I broke that holds on the 3-point attachment right here. So I have the new replacement part for that. It was only $100. I went to my local dealer, picked that up yesterday. I'm going to go ahead, put the new one on. I'm going to keep the pins and everything that came with this. I'm not going to toss this out. I'm going to keep that so I have extras. I don't, maybe just in case in the future. I'll probably end up breaking the other one too. And then I'm going to go and clean up the logs that are laying around that whole area behind the split firewood. So I'm going to pull them, drive them to the back, put them back there, lay them all the way back there, and then start clearing up this area for... my mom really wants a garden, so I want to make sure it's ready and prepped for next year, but I also want to have my stuff to be able to be stored for the winter time, not in weeds that are up to my shins. So we're going to go ahead and get that started. First, we're going to replace this part. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you made it this far, if you don't mind, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you guys back, and let's get started. Here's the brand new stabilizer arm. New pins. So it would go something like that. I bent that whole thing too. After I bought my tractor, I didn't realize how important these D-rings are, so I went out and bought about 155 of them, because they sure like to disappear. Alright, let's get this one off. Need a pin. Something like that. Fantastic. All right. Everything's in. So we're all filled up. Key has been cycled twice. Glow plugs are warm. We're going to go ahead and fire her up. This is going to be the first pile we're going to pick up right here, right in front of us. It's overgrown, it's starting to rot, so I'm going to get this towards the back now. before we get all these logs removed out of here, I'm gonna go ahead and move the rake and the 3-point aerator. This was the biggest waste that I purchased. This was I would never buy this again. I'm probably gonna go ahead and sell it. I've used it like 4 times. I actually don't enjoy it, so that's gonna be put to the side. It's probably gonna get listed on Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna get that out of here, move that, hopefully get this stump right here. I'll place a video right above of when I went ahead and cut that out. I'm gonna move that stump, move it towards the goat's pen, hopefully get this area cut down, get all this stuff brought to the back, and get this really looking nice. This wood, if I don't do anything with it, I'm probably gonna just make some bundles, put them for free at the pool at my community, and then the rest of it, I'm just gonna burn it all, get it out of here. This concrete right here, I got a few extra projects down the road that I'm gonna be doing. This is our Japanese silk grass. Apparently nothing eats it but goats, so if you guys have it everywhere, I mean, 3 goats isn't gonna really take care of it all, but they're eating it. So let's get all this stuff moved and hopefully get this cleared out. Too many objects inside there, so we're going to just go ahead and grab these logs now, and then I'll come back in and mow it down. I don't want to bust my brush cutter. Gonna try to go ahead and grab this stump right here, at least move it so I can get all this brush cut down here. That went slightly easier than I thought. So this used to be one of them spiral cable wheels that we got from like Asplund, one of those cable tree companies that were out working, and it rotted right through and it fell straight down. So what I plan on doing is taking this bottom piece here and building something a little bit better than what we have right now for the goats, using the logs. I want to dig in some tires along the side here. I'll probably get to that in the next few days because I have to do some work down here anyway. What I'm going to do is, you see this lean-to right here? The goats never hang out down here underneath it. So I'm going to take this back wall out and I'm going to use that back wall and I'm going to extend their pen so that they have a bigger pen, especially with the winter time coming. It's a little bit lower of a roof line. I want to go ahead and see if I can go and get a window from like Facebook Marketplace or somewhere that has cheap windows It doesn't have to be a fancy Anderson window. It just has to be a window that's outside, and that will let cross ventilation, especially in the summertime, happen. So with this is done here. Now we're gonna go back up front there, and then hopefully mow down that area and weed whack it down. So that's it, guys. There's a Mahindra 1626. I have my grapple. I have the back, I believe that's a 4 or 6 foot brush cutter on the back. The Coleman outfitter is up top. I just got the go-to-way. I went ahead and got this as good as I can get it right now. I'm gonna come back down here in the next few days and get rid of all this stuff right before I start burning. There's the bottom of that stump I actually forgot was down here, so I didn't want to hit it with the brush cutter. So the weed whacker was out of string, so I wasn't gonna go all the way home to go grab my weed whacker to come all the way back here, just weed whack this a little bit. So I'll probably get back here Monday. Monday's a holiday. Happy Labor Day to everybody out there. I'll come back, do this quickly, do a few things on there. I'm really waiting on the weather to break. We're supposed to get some rain for like 3 or 4 days, but the percentage is only like 30–40%. I'm trying to do what Jeff Sturgis says, wait until you got like 50 or 80% or higher for 1 or 2 days. That way when you go ahead and you're planting your food plots, at least you know that they're going down. I got another 50-pound bag of crimson clover. I also have sweet peas, brassicas, and this No BS. I want to try their blend on another plot back there. So like always, guys, if you don't mind, if you can hit that like button, it truly helps out. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. My name is Joe. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.